Today is a big day. We slept till almost 6. We did not have to get up in the middle of the night to feed you. And now I bet you all are very hungry, huh? Yeah. Okay, let's get up and get you breakfast. Let's see how we do popping out of the tent this morning. Anyone? Anyone? Casper? And Agatha? Okay. They're so cute. Buffy? Come on, Elvira. Are you coming out? She said, there she is. Are you guys hungry? Maybe? Say, yes, we are. Here we go. Here we go. Come here, baby. Kittens are playing. They've eaten. Let's go check on the big cats. Good morning, Sushi. Good morning. There's Scarlet. Good morning, Scarlet. Apparently, everyone else slept downstairs. There's Yoda. Sushi, of course, has to come in. There's Butchie on the bed. And there's Birdie by my daughter's head. Look who came upstairs. Hi, you want to go outside? Say, of course I do. Buddy, it's kind of cold out. You sure? All right. Let's go see if Willow came around to the back. Willow! Are you leaving? Okay, bye. Okay, thankfully she does not like to be outside. Hey! But she's like, I'm out. Okay, bye, have fun.